Look at his face, bro. He's he's so serious, bro. He's so focused and serious. This man like, hold on, bro. Bro, we ain't even started and it's already funny. All right. Let me get situated. Look. All right, so gang, I'm gonna be doing a lot of these reactions, but it's gonna be 2 car related videos because this is an automotive channel. Basically, I'm gonna be doing this to get more eyes on the channel. You know, hopefully some people will subscribe. So if you're watching this, subscribe, bro. Help me. I'm broke. But anyways, enough about the subscriber rant. You already know what to do. Click that red button. Yeah, this dude put twin turbos in a Cutlass. If you don't know what a Cutlass is, it's an old car. I'll pop a screenshot of it up somewhere on here. My dad owns one. He has like 24, 28-inch rims on it. People love this car, especially older people. But it's besides the point. We're gonna jump right into this. Now, this is 26 minutes. So a majority of it is not going to be about the Cutlass, so I'm just going to cut out those parts. So yeah, let's see what this twin turbo Cutlass is about. I might have to send this to my dad because, like I said, he owns one of these. Yeah, I'm black and I have a dad. Don't be stereotyping me. That motherfucker sound good. Look at his face.
We good to go, gang. Told y'all, boy, this boy don't stop.
That boy
working,
gonna.
man.
I'm gonna have to invest in one of those. When I do what I want to do in the grand scheme, I'm talking about way down the road when this channel finally becomes something. I'm gonna have to get something like that, and it's when we get one of those, trust me, we're gonna be doing some really cool on this channel, bro. I will tell you, y'all subscribe because it's gonna be the creme de la creme of this YouTube car content. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Oh, that motherfucker look vicious.
About them meats on there.
Look at that tire. That tire is beefy.
E85 start. E85 starter.
Yeah, my dad's is the Cutlass at my parents' house is white. God dang, that tire is huge.
Yeah.
There we go. I can hear now. That motherfucker. That motherfucker fighting, boy. It did not feel like that thing clean. It's rare to see a car that old be like that clean, no scratches, no nothing. Heck yeah, that's an Oldsmobile right there. Which at first I thought that was the name of the car. It turns out that was actually like a brand.
2 hours later.
Oh, they in that motherfucker now. Hold on, let me get right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He got some swag on him. Oh yeah, they finna get that bit moving. They finna have that bit moving. Camera up, okay.
In the young demonstration, we ain't even show y'all the outside of it, anything like that. But hey, we going for that young bride first, and then we'll show y'all.
Hell yeah.
Meats and greens to it.
Oh yeah, they moving. They moving. Oh, he got another camera. Oh, he about to get on that road. Oh, is that a freeway? Oh, it's a wrap. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, did you hear that whistle?
Daredevil demonstration. Yeah, he want to come in the power in the curve.
That man ain't hearing nothing. He like, y'all finna see about this Cutlass. Y'all finna see about this Cutlass. His shift knob is pretty nice though.
Definitely ride good.
I'm gonna have to enjoy that while it lasts because I'm gonna convert the paddle shift. I gotta learn how to shift first before I start talking all that crap. That boy got the nice iPhone on him. Tree cameras. Oh, they merging. Oh, they finna merge on the lane. Oh, it's a wrap. They merging. Yo, that pool, bro. No, go back, bro. Look at. Look at how man threw the freaking the shifter, bro. That man said, look, he's leaving for him and said. it back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look at how hard he hit this motherfucker, bro. Oh my gosh. I put the wrong ear in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can hear the whistle. That whistle is so sexy, bro. I love me some turbos. About to say, of course you can feel it.
I can't even see in my mirrors.
Oh yeah, they trying to merge now.
Niggas talking about ain't no street car, man.
Ain't no street car. Show them. Show
We
them.
on this bitch cruising, gang.
Oh yeah, they passing motherfuckers. I mean, obviously they ain't doing nothing too crazy. They ain't trying to get harassed by the Pope. Yeah, that thing right. Boo! I know they got a nice bro. That whistle, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, in the tunnel. I know they love that, bro. That car is throwing him, and he a big dude. Like he a what? Okay, they just throw the seatbelt on. Oh, he waiting.
Check me out what I'm looking like.
Oh, he finna launch? Okay. Okay. Talk to me. You hear that whistle? Talk to me. Oh boy, I thought you were finna keep going. Okay.
They don't got E here.
Boy, you hear that? he throwing that motherfucker. You hear that whistle though? Okay.
That's the difference right there. Boost hit it first there. You feel me?
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, don't get scared when Boost hit. Put his camera. We only got it turned down. You get on the two-step. You ain't even got a foot brake. You get on. I don't remember. What is the two-step? I don't remember which one is the two-step, so I'm gonna just foot brake it.
Two-step. No, the fucking ads, bro. We running it back. Ain't no way he finna have this Cutlass popping, bro. Let's go back 5 more seconds.
You ain't even got a foot brake. You get on. I don't remember. What is
So it look like he about to rev this motherfucker up to get that bit spool. We gonna do video on turbo, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. We gonna get that bit spool it. Then okay, let's see.
I don't remember which one is the two-step, so I'm gonna just foot brake it.
All right. Woo, that boy going. Woo. Look at his face. Oh, he's fighting that steering wheel, dude. That thing moves.
Oh shit! I don't need a fucking driver.
Okay.
Fuck wrong you, nigga.
Yes, sir.
I don't need no motherfucking
Okay.
driver, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Scared of this motherfucker? Oh yeah, you there? Oh yeah, you confident with it now?
That thing floating. Not gonna lie.
Difference though, we stay in the long ass first hand and get in boost. It's about to turn it
I
up.
can't lie. That motherfucker floating.
Motherfucker gonna get me in trouble.
I'm not gonna lie. I ain't think this video is gonna be that entertaining, but hey, I see you, Coolie.
Outside of there, and there's 12 right here. Not too far. We good. He ain't on us.
Oh yeah. Am I gonna do this? Is that gonna be me? When I finally get that car that I want, oh, is that gonna be me? Just up and down the highway, bro. Couple runs.
We built
Just,
expedition.
oh my goodness.
Explore.
Oh my.
Yeah, got that young shifter mounted up.
Oof.
She ready to suit and boot. Doubled in here too. Cigarette lighters, car charger port.
Yes,
Harley
sir.
Terminator, come on, man. Real street
Yes,
car
sir.
gang. Real street car.
And
What
but-
I'm doing over
Whoo,
here.
that look cool.
Woo!
That
Bros,
look
he
cool.
got
Look at that
man.
big ass that motherfucker. Woo. And there's the other one. Twins, baby. Twins, baby. Hey, only thing better than twin sisters? Twin turbos, boy. This thing look good. So yeah, I'm gonna be learning about all this very soon. I can't wait to meet y'all. Let you know, I'm gonna figure out what the hell you is. Figure out what the hell you is. What you is. Whatever you is. What you is. That's probably his coolant or something. Figure out what. No, that's part of the. You already know. All right. Yeah, they just moving that bit now. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this reaction. Not gonna keep y'all too long. Make sure you check out one of my videos. I highly recommend the Forza upgrades real video. And yeah, that's just about it. I'm out.
I love the hills. I love the hills.
Hey, Wando.